Introducing the vendor feature in FleetOnGo. Access the Settings menu to find the vendor management options. Navigate to the Vendor section. Initiate the process of adding a new vendor. Fill all the details: vendor name, mobile no, website, address, city, state and PIN code. Enter canva@gmail.com in the provided field. Fill the person name, contact no, and email ID. Fill GSTIN and it will automatically take the source of supply. Secure all your updates to preserve vendor information. Utilize the search function to quickly locate specific vendors. Now you can check the vendor name that you created. Initiate edits to modify vendor information. Confirm your changes to keep vendor records current. Remove any vendors that are no longer relevant. This guide will help you understand how to create a vendor. Thank you.